Doofy, we're going to England. Yay! Well, wait, England? Where is England? In UK? United States? No, United Kingdom. Yeah, I gotta go to the toilet. Dude, what's happening? Is there a thing on fire? Get out the toilet. Get out the toilet. We're just about to take off. Okay, Doofy, we're going to take off. Okay. Woo! Okay, let's go toilet. Doofy, stop farting. Wait, did you just poo your pants? I'm sorry, Max. I just pooed my pants. Oh, Doofy. You pooed your pants. That's absolutely disgusting. Ah, it stink. Flight attendant, yeah. He pooed his pants. Oh, what's his name? Doofy. Oh, God. So, Doofy, take you to the diaper changing room. We must, I have no idea. Clean the poo or kill your butt. 1 hour later. Okay. Doofy, do you want to talk? I'm kind of bored. Yeah, how did you become a pilot? Well, let me tell you. A long time ago when I was a pilot, this is how I became a pilot. Ding dong, this is Max speaking. Today I'll be flying to England. Yeah, we'll be flying to England and I taught him all the lessons, and I'll show you in test. Hey, I was going to say that. Yeah, 'cause you didn't know what to say. Well, take off the plane. Okay. Woo!
I'm a pilot already. I didn't open school, so I'm a pilot already.
Okay, now land the plane. You never taught me to land a plane. Land the plane. I don't care if I taught you to land the plane. Land the plane. Okay, let's land it. Land the plane. No, get up! Oh, God. Did I pass the test? Sir? Did I pass the test? Hey, you're not wearing clothes. He's dead! Ah! Wait, did I pass the test? I guess I'm the best pilot in the world. Let's first take off. Magic off. Oh, actually, I'm not the best pilot in the world. The story how I became a pilot. Wait, the halfway of the flight, I saw you eating something. What were you eating? I was looking for my snack, my holiday thing, my holiday bag. Your holiday bag? Yeah, and I also had a food bag, and I found this thing called oh yeah, I ate something called ice cream, Sam cream that you put on ice cream. Okay, Doofy. Wait, let me see that. Here you go. That's shampoo. Oh, that's why I don't feel well. I think I need to go to the bathroom. Go, Doofy. Don't do it next to me. Don't do it next to me. Oh. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. I gotta go to the bathroom. Okay. I feel better. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Hey, you see on my window seat. Sorry, Doofy. You can have it back. Are you finished it? I think. Doofy, you did it right next to me. I'm fine. Well, luckily you're fine now. You did it on the seat right next to us. Do you mind if you flush the toilet? Someone else is using it. Oh well. And mine. Someone's flushing the toilet. You did a lot of vomit and someone else did a lot of poo. I feel better. So, wait, I need to go to the cop and do something. Hey, pilot, can I take over the plane? No, of course not. And you, Captain, push you out of the plane. And go, pilot. And pilot. Yeah, I'm driving the plane. I'm driving the plane. I'm driving the plane. Yeah. This is my plane. No, it. This is my plane. Doofy, what are you doing? Doofy, you don't know how to drive a plane. Of course I do. Of course I do. You don't? Look, you're just about to crash it. I'm not. You are. Look. What's this? Woo! Woo! Ah! Oh, God. Doofy, stop the plane! Doofy, why can't we go on a airplane without it crashing? Hey, look, there's my poo. I see my poo I did and my vomit. That's disgusting, Doofy. This is the worst time on the plane ever.